してpump and spark.
Okay, pump,
Yeah.
spark. We hear the sound pump, when we pull the trigger.
Trigger.
Yeah, we pull the trigger of the gun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gun trigger.
Yes. But when the bullet comes out from the gun, the sound effect is spark.
Spark.
Yeah.
Spark.
Pull the trigger, pump,
Pump.
spark.
Spark.
Okay.
Oh, and bang.
Yes. Pump, spark,
Bang. Oh, okay. It's okay. これね、見たことありますけど、発音がわかんないですよね。
We here they don't put the S because it's just like sighing.
Yeah. Oh.
We use this when we are having or doing a nonchalant attitude, like you are calm. Although you are thinking someone, for example, in the comic Batman and Robin, they were having problem with Joker, so they're discussing how to have a plan. Yeah, so Robin is suggesting, but Batman was just thinking.
Doom.
Doom. Okay, doom is a sound effect produced by pounding of sword.
Sword.
Yes, or any heavy material. For example, Thor. Thor.
A mighty Thor.
Sword.
Sword.
Shinobi.
Shinobi. Okay.
And then we have the best example is Thor, because Thor has a hammer. Very heavy hammer that no one can pull or no one can get. So only Thor. When Thor. When that hammer touches any surface, it will create a sound of doom. Yes, it's magical.
Next, ping.
Ping. Oh, ping is very common. It is the sound produced when you are fixing something, fixing the table, fixing this, or any metal.
Metal. Fix. Fix.
Only for metal.
Okay. Wearing. Metals is wearing.
Yes, watch. Or anything that you don't wear. Yeah, even if you don't wear that one. Cloth.
Cloth. Okay. 何でもつけるだけではなく置くものでも。
Computer.
Computer
also.
Computer. Ping.
Ping. Because as long as there is a metal.
Next.
Yes, very good.
My name is Joker.
Yes.
Laughing.
Yes, a mocking laugh. That one. Making you angry. Yes, not the natural. Not that one. Evil laugh.
Angry.
Yes, makes you angry. Mocking laugh.
Okay, next.